Hi, I'm Mark Lowe. I'm the president and founder of Lobster Made Easy. Like you, I really enjoy North Atlantic lobster. However, we've always had a problem in preparing that lobster. You had to boil water, cook it, you had to smell. It's a terribly inconvenient process to go through. Now, no matter your culinary skill ability, we have Lobster Made Easy. You simply go to your local grouser, buy it from the freezer aisle, take it home to enjoy at your convenience. Take it out of your freezer, pop it in the microwave on high for 6 minutes. The lobster re-steams inside the pouch. Our lobster is sustainably caught by local, seasoned, and responsible lobster fishermen. They catch them, they bring to our plant the same day for processing. Cooked, frozen, sealed. It's a hot, delicious lobster. So now you can enjoy fresh Atlantic lobster no matter where you are. It's Lobster Made Easy.